We're going to take a look at Siri for the iPhone. If we press and hold the home button, Siri will pop up. If we tap the information button, we can see all the things that Siri can do. Siri can make phone calls, open apps, text people, set up calendar appointments, check sports statistics, get directions, tweet, post to Facebook, get table reservations and check restaurants, find movie times, play music, set reminders, check our emails and send emails, check weather, check the stocks, set alarms, check friends' contacts, find our friends, make notes, search the web, and find random statistics. If we want to, we can even ask Siri who we are. Siri, who am I?
You're James. But since we're friends, I get to call you Jim.
As you can see, Siri brought up my contact sheet. And if we scroll down, we can see all of my contact information. I could even set Siri to remember my spouse's name and any sort of family member or friends. Remember that my wife is Amanda Horton.
Okay, do you want me to remember that Amanda Horton is your wife?
Yes.
Okay, Jim, I've added this relationship.
If we scroll down on our contact sheet, we can see that Siri has now added my wife as my spouse. I can even have Siri send a message to my wife. Text my wife that I'll be home at 5:15.
Here's your message to Amanda Horton. Ready to send it?
Send it.
Okay, I'll send your message.
We can even have Siri set reminders. Remind me that I need to buy toilet paper.
Okay, I'll remind you too I need to buy toilet paper. When would you like to be reminded?
Tomorrow at 2 p.m.
Here's your reminder for tomorrow at 2 p.m. Shall I create it?
Create it.
Okay, I'll remind you.
What's the weather going to be like tomorrow?
Nice weather coming up tomorrow. Up to 97 degrees and sunny.
As you can see, Siri is a multifaceted assistant. We can use it for many features, and those are just a few of them.